alright, don't it? And it's got sidings. Okay. One right junction, double okay. For the moment. This could be the last run. On the old double gauge. We're doing a little airing tonight. 2 runs still working, okay. 66 been playing up, so you know. I think it's the bridge, I think the spoiler it doesn't like this little issue here. Other than that, there we go. Right, so got the iMac going again. Just a quick let me just turn the sound up a minute on these. You can hear all sorts of things. Love sound, but you know, it's not good when you're rabbiting. There we are, nice. Right, yeah, little catch up what we've been doing. Well, we've pinned all the track down properly, we've got to put some sleepers in the gaps. Next job. Been testing all the switches for the sections, isolating sections. Done a little bit of a board, no it's only a thing, it's only a temporary job. A little diagram there in the red with the switches showing you where the isolating zones are. So all these, the pannier and the 08 is in isolation mode at the moment. Been doing a bit of shunting with the 08, she loves it. Back and forth, you know, in and out, up the head shunt, back down the bottom. Yeah, great. As you can see, I finished the track work off today. Next job now is point motors. Now I have been making some inquiries because I have got an abundance of these surface mounted on whether they will work on these bigger points, and apparently yes is the answer to that. I had some people get back to me with photographs of them actually on their layouts, so you've got to modify the sleepers a little bit to get it to fit, but that's going to be the plan. So there's only 5, so we'll fit the 5 up. We'll wire the prods up as well, and we'll get some smart switches or don't think they're called, whatever I can't remember what they're called now. Get the little switches so the point motor will go one side and the switch will go, frog switch will go the other side. So that should sort all that out for when I change over to DCC. I mean, at the moment everything runs great, but as you know, with DCC you can get issues on the frogs. So we don't want any of that nonsense. So yeah, this is the way we're going. Taking the couplers off them GWR coaches, I've just got to put the hooks on now. I'll do that tomorrow, and I can pull them around there. And yeah, so we've been doing a little bit of planning as well. Cause that time neck is not going to be up there, it's going down here. It's out of place up there, but I had to get it at the time, it was a bargain. Right, what we're going to do down here, we decided now that we're basically going to do a 2-loop, or attempt to do a 2-loop system on this. Well, all this track's coming up and all that got to come out along the back there to maximise the size for the radius of the bigger loop, which is going to be sort of there, and the other loop will be there with a platform there. Or what I may do is put the platform down in the corner halfway in a tunnel so that I haven't got to go nuts with platforms. So we might try and do it. I did try it last time down here with the other low and I had a nightmare. So it might not be the best idea. I might have to go up the other end and do it. But that's what I'm going to try and do, rather than waste room by having a big platform in the middle of the layouts. I don't really want to do that. So the plan is, let's get back, take all that side out there, probably take this off on the end, take this away, and I can get a 9-foot radius from the tape measure over to there roughly by there with that brown bushes. So that should take me in there nicely, and then we'll run down there where that Scotland station building is, and we'll cut across as before. This will always have to come out. This will probably have to go, it's the wrong scale now. So it'll come across either this bridge or a new bridge. Probably be a new bridge. I'll shorten it up, I think. So the line will come across and basically do exactly what it's doing there. I think I can just about do it. Now on the inside, I'm going to do it with a set track curves like I've done up there. And the idea of that is, the reason why I'm doing it with the set track curves, because you've got a 2 metre diameter there. Well, I've got 9 foot on the other one. I've got 2 meters. I can't convert that at the moment. My head's gone blank. About 5 foot, 6 foot, something like that. So it's about 6 foot, isn't it? So that'll be across there. And the idea is that that'll come in there with the set track curves around there, around here, where this train is now, and then back down here and run down there where the cutting is. I might even then put a point here on the corner, curve point, and then run a spare line down there as well, just to park things up like a loop relief line or something. So that could go in there. In there I'm going to try and get a couple of extra lines for storage, like similar to what I had before. So, you know, I mean, that landscape will probably stay. You might have to skim a bit off it perhaps. The one on the other end can stay where it is. That's not going to be interfered with at all. The track will just come across in the same line as before. I'm going to have to rip this out here to lay the track, and then we'll do something different. But I don't worry about that. Yeah, this is where we're aiming. So the thing is now, when I've done the track up there and I'm happy with it, I'm not messing about with it anymore. I'm not fiddling about putting more track in. That's it. That's how it's staying. And like, you've got to be positive with it, because if you waffle around, you'll end up forever. So that's the crack there. So what I want to try and do is rip all this track up down here, clean it all up, get the baseboards nice and clean, take all that upper branch thing there, take that out down the bottom of there, and put 2 loops in. No points or nothing, just put 2 loops in so we can see what we can get. Then we can adjust it all at a later date. So that's my plan, and that's going to be imminent now. I thought, while I'm in the track lane, I'll lay the track down here, lay the basic track down here, and obviously the point systems and what I'm going to do, I'll have to come later. Then I'm going to drop back on the, well first of all I'll probably do the point motors up there, then I'll do the track. I'm not doing any scenics or anything, there's not going to be a lot up there anyway, mostly buildings in the back, then a retaining wall, there'll be some huts, maybe a signal box, you know, that sort of thing, bit of rural here, some sort of bridge across here, a bit of rural over there. I was thinking I might put a little countryside halt down here in that corner where all that pile of stuff is, a curved point there, because the high mech won't be up here, it's too long. There'll be a DMU up there and probably a pannier with a couple of coaches, so a little station in that triangle there. I'm going to try and attempt to do that. So that's the plan, that's my future plans, you know, for next week. Rip the track out, put in the point motors, get some track, lay the track, and let's see where we are. So just a little bit of information there. I'll put the song back on and I'll catch you again. Bye for now. Point.